In this video, I'm going to show you how to get blueprints in Once Human. So, blueprints are basically the most valuable thing in the game, or one of the most valuable things in the game, because with them you can get insane weapons and armor parts to be able to fight bosses and different enemies easier. Now, what I found is the best way to get blueprints, of course, is to farm different silos, okay? Now, that's one thing, just locate different silos on the map, okay? For example, over here is the PSI silo and stuff like that. Now, this is one way. It's easy to get blueprints in there if you farm the hard difficulties, but you have to create a team and be in a team of 4 players if you want to do it efficiently, easily, and very, very fast. Now, once you've done that, you will get blueprints. Now, if you want to get blueprints that you want, there's also a great alternative, which is this wish machine over here. You can make one, you can create it and unlock inside medics, or find it in pretty much any of these bigger security areas. So safety zones, this Deadsville, and then you have Mayor's Market, a Greywater Camp, and stuff like that. Now, inside here you can do two things. You can either make a wish and straight up gamble. You will have to over here just pop different boys that show up. There we go. You will have to pop them with a hammer and you have a chance to get one of these blueprints. Now, if you want the blueprint that you actually want, the developers actually added a new feature which is very, very good. You can also come to the wish machine, click G to open the blueprint shop, and you can actually buy whichever blueprint you would like, okay? Now in here, as you can see, are all the blueprints. However, the problem is they're very expensive. As you can see, it costs 8,000 StarCrom to get it, okay? I only have a 1,300 right now, as you can see. Now the easiest way to get StarCrom is from these season passes, okay? Just lagged out, I'm sorry. You can get these by going over here, clicking the Manibus Novice, and then you want to go to season goals, and in here, as you can see, you can get a whole bunch of StarCrom from completing these different challenges in each and every single one of these kind of phases, okay? Now, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to get blueprints in Once Human, the easiest and pretty much the fastest way. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.